When you tell them what you're doing day to day, they understand the life and the cycle of our business. Other software companies come into the industry from another segment. Where Omni was born in a trailer in the storage rental business, they're really the only one that has that baseline and that basis of a software that's built for our industry.
I'm Matt Hansen, software engineer and spokesperson for Omni View software. I want to tell you about how our software is the perfect fit for the portable storage industry. It's a round peg in a round hole. Omni View was designed from the ground up to meet the needs of the industry. In 2003, the partners of Omni View sat down with 3 Twin Cities trailer rental companies and invented this unique, dedicated software. We started by focusing on inventory and billing, and continue to meet the daily and dynamic needs of the industry.
It was a different world, but prior to that had been just literally paper and filing cabinets. It was a lot of paper, a lot of stacks, and a lot of data. It's harder and harder to manage and follow up on things and track units and keep track of inventory and keep track of drivers. There was oodles and oodles and filing cabinets full of paper.
From the beginning, Omni View has demonstrated a dedicated commitment to the portable storage industry. We have one vertical. We have laser focus. It's all we do. Omni View is a suite of products designed to grow as the industry grows.
It started changing in the early 2000s, and then it really started changing. We went for Omni in the beginning, and then mightily since 2012, 2014, we've been working on going paperless. And COVID-19 has really pushed that envelope to make us go digital.
So the big thing is the invoice.
And what really sold it was Pete was able to help us make the transition from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online with very little effort on my part.
So we provide on-site storage for customers. We deliver a storage container to their location. They can use it while it's on site for clean, dry, and safe storage. And when they're finished with it, they give us a call, and then we go and pick it up and take it back for the next customer. The software handles everything from our order processing to all the way to billing, and then all the way through the pickup process in the end. We're even working with Omni on their service side of things, so we can send out service technicians using the mobile dispatch app so they can go out and make repairs to certain units as needed.
We wondered, why would we reinvent the accounting wheel when we can leverage this established solution? QuickBooks' parent company, Intuit, invests over $1 billion annually in software development. Just as you invest in the latest technology to run your business, we employ the latest technology to help serve you. The best tools reduce development time and result in more powerful solutions. For example, to develop our mobile apps, we use one of Microsoft's products called Xamarin.
When the driver logs onto the application, he can go right to the page that has a whole list of his click on a task. He can pull up a map. If there's any special instructions, they'll be highlighted right there. The driver can make inspection notes. The driver can take signatures. It can take pictures.
The big advantage of Xamarin is it lets us write our code once for all platforms: iOS, Android, and PC.
Omni View is a great fit for us because they are adaptable to what we need, and they're adaptable to what associates in our industry need. They're always willing to listen to the ideas that we have and make changes as needed.
Once you've selected Omni View software, you've chosen an amazing end-to-end solution for your business. One thing we know for certain after 20 years in the business is that no two operators do things the same way. Every part of our software is optimized for you. That includes artwork, documents, and reports.
It's totally customer driven. If you send it right back to them, they're on top of it and implement it right away. The transition was pretty painless.
When you tell them what you're doing day to day, they understand the life cycle of our business, where they're not like...
We want you and your team to feel at home when they dive in.
The thing that's great about Omni View is they want to be that modern software and keep up with the times as everything changes with the industry.
It's like tailoring a fine suit of clothes for the perfect fit. A round peg in a round hole.
Dallas got a software machine. Houston, too close to New Orleans. New York got the way.